Hello guys, welcome back again. Yesterday we had solved the traveling salesman problem using Python. So now we are going to solve a no solving, just implementing a simple blockchain in Python. So are you ready? Now let's start the video without wasting any time. Now you can see the editor. We have to import the necessary libraries. Import hashlib, import JSON, and from time, import time. Okay. In the next step, after that we are initializing the chain and list to store the transaction. Okay, here we are initializing the chain. I know it's a little bit difficult to code, but when you practice daily you will see some changes in yourself, and I promise you, when you code with me step by step, you will get to know everything. Now let's finish this blockchain class. Let's move further. Now we have to create a genesis block. This is a genesis block. This is a genesis. Okay. In this we have to create a new block in the blockchain. Proof here is the proof of the work algorithm. Previous hash is the optional hash of the previous block. I am talking about the parameter here inside the new block. Okay. Now return the new block. Let's define the structure of the block. Index of the block in the chain, timestamp of the block when it was created, list of the transactions in the time, proof, the proof given by the proof of work algorithm. Now we have to reset the current list of transactions. Okay. After completing this, we have to append the new block to the chain. Now we have to define another function, new transactions, that will go into the next minded block. In this, sender is the address of the sender, recipient address of the recipient, and amount to transaction amount. Now let's define the block. After that we have to return the index of the new block. Here we are defining a new class. In this we need to create a new SHA256 hash of a block. Now return the hash value. Okay. Now here we are converting a block to a string and encode it. Okay. Now return the SHA256 hash of the encoded block. Now we have to create another class called property. Now here we are defining the last block. Simple proof of work algorithm. Find the number p such as hash p contains leading 4 zeros, where p is the previous p. P is the previous p, and p dash is the previous hash. It's a new proof, sorry. P hash is a new proof. Sorry for that. Now we have to create a different class called static method. Here we are defining a valid proof. Here validated the proof does hash contain 4 leading zeros. Here validated the proof does hash contain 4 leading zeros. Last proof of the previous proof is a current. Last proof is the previous proof of the current, and proof is the current. Okay. Don't confuse here. You can, if you have any problem, comment me down. I'll solve it for you. mining block. This is the example part that I am taking here. At last, in the final step, initiate the blockchain. Now writing the example usage. At last, the output of the blockchain. This is a print. Oh, I forgot one more example is that's why I'm getting an error here. Now let's solve it here. This is another example usage. I forgot to write. Let's write it after that. Blockchain. Yeah. Previous hash blockchain dot hash. Another error. Here we have solved the no there at last we have to see the last I think. Yeah. Now let's run the code and see how code runs or not. Oh, we have done it. We have got our answer. Our code is correct with no error. Finally, we made it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. And thank you. See you. Bye bye. Have a good day.